Welcome kids. Are you ready for today's maths class? Yes? Okay. If you are ready for the class, what you have to do? Do you remember what I told in the last class? Are you ready for the class? What do you have to do? Clap your hands. Yes. So I am going to ask once again. Are you ready for the class? 1, 2, 3. Ready. Okay, then shall we move on to today's topic? Today we are going to learn about ascending order and descending order of numbers. Okay, we are going to learn ascending order and descending order of numbers. Okay, so at the end of this session you will be able to understand how to arrange the numbers in ascending order. Then secondly, arrange the numbers in descending order. I hope this ascending and descending two words, these are familiar to you. This one you already studied in first standard. Okay, then shall we move on to today's topic, ascending and descending order of numbers. Okay, before we move on to the content, shall we watch a video? You have to watch the video carefully. Okay, there are some important words hidden in that video. So watch the video carefully. After that, I will ask the questions from that video. So here is the video for you.
Order. Let us meet Rahul. He has to climb 10 steps which are numbered 1 to 10. Rahul starts from step number 1. He climbs on to step number 2. Then to step number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and finally to step number 10. Did you observe that as he climbs up each step, he is ascending or moving to a greater number than the previous number? Thus, we say that when the numbers are arranged from the smallest to the greatest, they are in the increasing or ascending order. Here is our friend Rahul again. He is on step number 10 and has to come down to step number 1. He comes down to step number 9, which brings him to a lower level than step number 10. Then to step number 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and finally to step number 1. Did you observe that as he comes down each step, he is descending or moving to a smaller number than the previous number? Thus, we can say that when numbers are arranged from the greatest to the smallest, they are in the decreasing or descending order.
Okay children, do you watch the video? How was the video? What is the name of the boy in that video? What is the name of that boy? Yes, it is Rahul. That is a video of a boy called Rahul. Okay, what was that Rahul doing? Rahul is climbing on the steps. Okay, he is climbing the steps. Okay, now can you tell what are the new words you got from that video? What is that new words? First one, yes, it is ascending order. First one was the ascending order. Then second one, what you got from that? Okay, second one is descending order. Okay, so today's our content is ascending order and descending order. Okay, then we will study one by one. Okay, then first one is ascending order. Okay, what is ascending order? Can you tell what is meant by ascending order from that video? Do you got any idea about that ascending order? Okay, that is Rahul is climbing the steps from the bottom to the top. Okay, from the bottom to the top. Here you can see on this slide, that is they are arranging the things from first one is the smallest, then second one again little bit bigger, then last one is the biggest one. So they are arranged from smallest one to the biggest one, smallest one to the biggest one. That order is called ascending order. Okay, did you got that one? Ascending order. Ascending order means arranging from smaller to the biggest. Okay, from the smallest to the biggest. That arrangement we will call it as ascending order. You have to keep this word in mind, ascending order. Okay, now shall we do some problems? By doing the problems, you can arrange the numbers also in ascending order. Okay, then shall we move on to some examples? Okay, first one, there are numbers are given there. 5 numbers are given there. Okay, you have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. Okay, you have to arrange them in ascending order. Okay, then look at these numbers. First one, what is the first number? 259. How will you read 259? 259. Okay, then take the second number 648. Then 468. Then next one 312. Then what is the last number? Okay, 175. 175. These are the numbers. So we have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. Okay, what is meant by ascending order? From smallest to the biggest number. So from these you have to find out the smallest number first. Okay, then how will you find out the smallest number? Do you remember? We have to start from the leftmost position. What is the numbers in the leftmost position here? We will underline the numbers in the leftmost position. Okay, here it is 2, then 6, after that 4, 3 and 1. These are the numbers in the leftmost position. By comparing these numbers, we can identify which is the smallest number. Okay, now can you tell from these numbers which is the smallest one? 2, 6, 4, 3 and 1. Which is the smallest one? Yes, it is 1. So which is the smallest number? 175. Very good. So you tick that number 175. So we will write the answer. Smallest number is 175. Now again you have to find which is the smallest one. Now 2, 6, 4, 3. Which is the smallest? Yes, it is 2. So tick this number. They will write 259. After 2, what is the next one? It will be 3. Then after 3 we are having 4. Okay, then third number will be 312. Then after that we will write 468. Now we are having 6, only 6. So that is the biggest number. That is 648 is the biggest number among these. Okay. So we arrange the numbers in ascending order. Okay. Ascending order means smallest number to the biggest number. Okay. So this is the ascending order of numbers. Okay. Now we'll do one more question. Okay. One more questions we will do. Second one. What is the second one? Can you read the questions from the slide? Okay. 635. How will you read 635? 635. Okay. Then 365. Okay. Then next number 653. After that 356. Okay. Then what is the last number? 563. Okay. So we are having 5 numbers. From this we have to find out the smallest number. Okay. So which is the smallest one? How will you find out? Same thing. Okay. Underline the leftmost number. Okay. Underline the leftmost number. 6, 3, 6, 3 and 5. These are the leftmost numbers. Which is the smallest among these numbers? Which is the smallest among these numbers? Yes, here we are having 2 numbers, 365 and 356. Okay, here leftmost we are having 3, here also 3. In this situation, what will you do? Move on to the second number. Okay, second number is 6. Here it is 5, 6 and 5. So which is the smallest, 6 or 5? Yes, it is 5. 5 is the smallest one. So which is the smallest number? Smallest number is 356. 350. So we will tick and write 356. After 356, what is the next one then? Here, obviously it is the 365. Okay, now compare the remaining numbers. 6, 6 and 5. Which is the smallest? 5. So which is the smallest number? 563. Okay, so tick the number and write 563. Okay, now here we are having 2 6s. So what will you do? Take the second digit. Okay, that is here we are having 3 and here we are having 5. So which is the smallest one? 3 or 5? Which is the smallest? 3. Yes, it is 3. So next number is 635. Then what will be the last number or the biggest number? Yes, it is 653. 653. So smallest number is 356 and biggest number is 653. So we arranged the numbers from smallest to the biggest. What is this order called? This is called the ascending order of numbers. Okay, ascending order of numbers. Okay, in the slide you can see the answers. Okay, this is the ascending order of arrangement of numbers. Okay, did you got this one? What is meant by ascending order? Ascending, that is, ascending means smallest to the biggest. Arrangement means arrange the numbers from smallest level to the biggest level. That is called the ascending order of numbers. Okay. Now we will move on to the second one. That is, second one is descending order. Okay. Second one is descending order. Okay. From the video you heard the word descending order. Okay, descending order. Okay, what is meant by descending order? Can you tell? Descending order is just opposite of ascending order. Okay, descending order is just opposite of ascending order. Okay, second one, descending order. Descending order. Okay, descending order. Okay. Okay, so what is meant by descending order? Okay, from the slide, First one is the biggest one. First one is the biggest one, and the last one is the smallest one. That is the descending order. How will you write in descending order? That is, we will start from the biggest one, then we will move on to the smallest one. Okay, so descending order means arranging from biggest to the smallest. That is the descending order of numbers. Okay, so descending order you have to remember from biggest to the smallest. Okay, then we will do some examples, okay, based on numbers. Okay, how will you arrange the numbers in descending order? Okay, how will you arrange the numbers in descending order? Okay, then we will move on to the first question. That is 367. Second number 490. Then third one 941. Then 276. Then what is the last number given? Yes, it is 637. 637. Okay. Now we are having descending order. Descending means biggest to the smallest. Okay. Then same thing you have to do. Start from the leftmost position. Okay. So underline the leftmost position numbers. Okay. So here we have to find the biggest numbers first. Okay, you have to find the biggest number. Which is the biggest number? 3, 4, 9, 2, 6. Which is the biggest? Yes, obviously it is 9. So which is the biggest number? Biggest number is 941. So first we will write 941. Then what is the next one? 3, 4, 2, 6. Which is the biggest? Yes, it is 637. Next we have to find what is the next one? 342. Which is the biggest one? 342. Yes, very good. It is 4. So we will tick and write 490. Now we are having only two numbers. Okay, 3 and 2. Which is biggest? 3 and 2. Yes, it is 3. Okay, so tick the number, then write 367. Now the last number, that is the smallest one among these, that is 276. 276. Okay, so we arranged the numbers from biggest to the smallest. Biggest to the smallest. This arrangement is called descending order. Descending order. Okay, shall we do one more question? Okay, we will do one more questions based on descending order. Okay, that is second question. What is the second question? 210, then 120, then thirdly 220, then after that 202. One more number is there. Okay, fifth one 122. 122. So question is descending order. Descending order means biggest to the smallest. Okay, so first we will underline the leftmost digit. Leftmost digit. Now we have to find out the biggest number. Which is the biggest number among this? 2, 1, 2, 2, 1. Okay, we are having 2. Okay, 2 here, 2, 2, 2. All the first digit is 2. So what we will do in this time? We will move on to the second digit. We will move on to the second digit. That is 1. Here it is 2. And here you are having 0. Okay, 1, 2, 0. Which is the biggest one? Which is the biggest one? Yes, it is 2. So which is the biggest number? 220. Okay, very good. 220. 2 or 210. Which is biggest? Which is biggest? 1 or 0. Which is biggest? Yes, it is 1. Okay, 210. Okay, 210. When you are doing now, you have to be very careful. Okay, Okay, 210, 210. After that we will take 202. Okay, 202. Now we are having two more numbers. 120, 122. Here also left more we are having 1 and 1. What will you do? We will take the second number. 2, 2. Again both are same. Both are 2. Here also 2. So what will you do? Move on to the next digit. Okay, that is 0 and here we are having 2. So we are having 0 and 2. Which is biggest? 0 and 2? Yes, it is 2. So what is the next number? Next number is 122. 122. Then what are the smallest number? That is the last one. Okay, 120. 120. So we have 220 as the biggest number. Then 120 as the smallest number. So we arrange the numbers from biggest to the smallest. That is called the descending order of numbers. Okay, that is called the descending order of numbers. Here you can see the answers of descending order. Okay, so this is the content you have to study for today's class. Okay, now I will give some tricks. Okay, I will give some tricks to find out how will you arrange the numbers in ascending and descending order. Okay, so before that let's find out what we studied in today's class. First studied ascending order. Ascending order means smallest to the biggest. That is, the ladder is going up, that is from smallest to the biggest. That is the ascending order. Then next one we studied is descending order. What is descending order? That is the opposite. Okay, from the biggest to the smallest. That is called the descending order. Okay, now next one is a clue for you. Okay, that's a trick for you how to arrange the numbers in ascending and descending order. Okay, listen carefully. Okay, so you have to keep this in mind. Okay, first one is ascending order. Okay, ascending order starts with which letter? Ascending order starts with A, and A for and. How is this and? And is too small. Okay, so ascending order, when we are telling, you have to think about and is smallest. Okay, and did you heard about dinosaur? How is that dinosaur? Very big, isn't it? Okay, dinosaur is very big. So ascending order means starts with A for and is small to big. Dinosaur is big. So ascending order means smallest and to the biggest dinosaur. Okay, that is a trick. Okay, ascending, you have to think ascending, it is and is small. So ascending order starts with smallest number. Okay, then like that we are having descending order. When descending means starts with D. So D for dinosaur, very big, isn't it? Okay, for the descending order you have to start with biggest number to the smallest. Okay, so ascending order and smallest. Okay, start from smallest. Descending order, D for dinosaur, very big, starts with biggest number. Okay, that's all for today. Now we will move on to the homework part. Okay, homework. First one is arrange the numbers in ascending order. Arrange the numbers in ascending order. Two questions are there. You have to write the answers in ascending order. Okay. Now we will move on to the assignment part. Okay. Assignment part. Arrange the numbers in descending order. But you have to remember one thing. How you have to write? From the top of the number. Top, we have to write the biggest number. Okay. I have given one example for you. That is, biggest number we wrote in the top and smallest number we wrote in the bottom level. Okay. Like that you have to do the second one. Okay. Now we are having the worksheets, that is, arrange the numbers in both ascending and descending order. Okay. Question is given there, you have to write in ascending order and descending order. Okay. Okay, that's all for today's class. I hope you all enjoyed this one. Bye bye.